How to attract a man with confidence, not pressure. For many women, a sweet message or a quick reply from someone they like can brighten the whole day. But when he doesn't reply, we keep checking our phones only to see he liked someone else's post instead. That hurts, right? One woman I know got very upset when this happened. She wrote a long message late at night saying how much she liked him and complained about why he didn't reply. But here's the truth: if a man doesn't reply, he's probably not that interested. Her message only pushed him further away. So what can we do when this happens? If you're just getting to know a man and not yet in a relationship, the key is attraction, not pressure. Step 1. Trigger his desire to chase. Think of it like this: a dog always follows its owner, but a cat is independent. The owner ends up chasing the cat, trying to get close. Be the cat, not the dog. Let him wonder, does she like me or not? That mystery keeps him curious and trying harder. Step 2. Use words, not actions. Yet you can say something sweet like, your birthday's coming, I like you so much, I want to get you a gift. Even if he says, no need, you reply playfully, but I want to. Then on his birthday, don't send anything. No gift. Not even a message. He'll wonder, wait, what happened? Does she like me or not? That curiosity pulls him in. Step 3. Keep some mystery. Don't tell him everything. When he asks about your past or family, say, it's a long story, I'll tell you next time. You're not refusing, just saving it for later. This makes him want to know more. Like a good book, you don't want to read a story when you already know the ending. Don't chase. Let him come to you. One woman kept saying I like you every day, checking in, asking how he felt, if he was tired from work. But that made the guy lose interest. Too much attention too soon can scare a man away. Let him make the first move. When he does, then show warmth. In short, be like a cat, independent, mysterious. Use kind words, but don't chase. Leave space for him to wonder and explore. Save your stories, don't share them all at once. Want more? Come talk to me on Facebook. Learn how to keep your power. Let him come to you, and stay confident in love. And if this helped you, share it with a friend who needs to hear it too.